Dr. Babalola, are there myths or are there things that you've heard about that people believe helps with anti-aging that is actually backfiring? Different things that people think is going to help them be younger, have increased longevity that are actually harmful.
Yeah, I'm glad you asked that question because just this week, actually, I had a patient ask me that, so I have amazing patients. I love them dearly, and I'm so grateful to be part of their healthcare journey. But one in particular actually sent me a video about detox. I guess they were watching a lot of, I was just like, I'm going to go on a full body detox, and this was just going to be just liquid where, it wasn't clear. I think she said magnesium citrate, it was an Epsom salt, and she was going to use that to kind of give her energy. So again, the body is so equipped to detox naturally, right? If you place it in the right environment, like the liver, right? If it's receiving the healthy nutrients that it needs, the nutrient dense. So we're talking about whole grain foods, right? Nuts and seeds, legumes. Those really will flush out the system adequately. So that is one myth where people think they can just do a detox, maybe 3-day detox or water fast, and that by itself would restore their body. You're risking electrolytes imbalance. This particular person had actually started it one day and decided because she was having so much diarrhea that she needed to ask me if she should continue for 2 or 3 days. And I said, well, if you're trying to detox, why don't we do it a healthier way, right? With the foods that you incorporate. So that's one that I know of where people feel like they can just do a detox, a liquid detox.